Okay, hey, this is a video on how to clean a 360 disc, like Xbox 360, whatever kind of disc, just probably not PS3, I haven't tried it, but, okay, so, what you're gonna need is, shit, here's syrup. Okay, you're gonna need, I'm just using syrup, it has to be something that has corn syrup and cellulose gum. I've just tried like 3 different things, and they didn't work until I used that. None of them had that, so I'm just guessing. But anyways, and you're gonna need a piece of bread. I mean, I just chose raisin bread for creativity, I guess, you know, extra. And you're gonna need salt. Okay, so what you're gonna do? Oh, wait, you also need a disc. Kind of fucked up. Okay, so what you're gonna do? You can take the bread, open up the salt. So you're gonna pour a little bit of salt on there, not a lot. I haven't really measured. Just sprinkle a little bit over. Whoa, shit. Well, that's salt for you. Just a sec. Okay, you should need a decent amount, and then just take whatever substance you're using and sprinkle a little bit of that over it. Just wipe it around like that, a little circle looking thing. Oh, by the way, this is my koala. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the bread with, or whatever, yeah, pretty much bread, that's what I use, and you're gonna kind of wipe everything across the disc, just like that. And it should look pretty nasty looking, really fucking gross looking, but it'll work. Now you need a paper towel, balls. Be right back. Okay, I'm sorry it took a second. So there's your nasty fuck up disc, and here's some paper or something to get wet. Look over there. Gonna get the paper. Okay, now you can take the paper and very lightly wipe everything off. Very, very lightly. Like, not really hard. Soft enough to where it starts kind of messing everything up. Yeah, just keep wiping it. It'll be really gross. You're gonna have to wash your hands after it. Wiping. Okay, there you go. Now you just dry it off, and it ought to work for your game system, whatever you chose. Balls. I didn't bring a second paper towel, so I'm not gonna really waste y'all's time. That's basically how you do it. Just like that, and that's it. Enjoy your game.